I be capo inside Douala. Una welcome country people. Sometimes don't come again when at sometime we go talk to way. We be talk, we leave am for morning time. We go talk one way, we not be talk say for morning time. Because that's when at sometime plenty thing the day. Yes. For inside Douala we go come out first. Inside Bamenda. Sitting where fire they find them. Fire get which problem with Bamenda food market? Now question that way we could ask them inside the time for tourists so for inside Douala. When we go down come up Bamenda, we will go that side for far north. We go work outside for Cameroon. You should not save the lumina for inside Southwest. We will see come meet up you for day. Tell you say food day way they give people them. Now we chat with them don't make a know they go for farm so. Now so hungry. We want kill now. But that's so chop don't come. Yes. Now palaver for chop way they give people them for that side for Southwest where we go talk about. We will come out save impact inside Douala here. But not before play where I did the knack to so we go do that so for that side for Douala Katiem when Abonaberi for see that so way they don't send some people them book house them not get place for Shidong go back for village where they maybe them come on and play with chat gim day them not go there them dey inside here they cry say oh governor do something 5 week house make the man give you money other thing them so we go talk for inside news here we go even come also intercept see inside for Douala 5e too so look for palaver for tip people them they don't vex them don't say since December month remain na one day them must find money so that they go chop Christmas them go chop New Year too with their family but now say plan dey fine but na matter wey they dey time for stake for get the money so wey e no fine now you wan get plenty money go work money dem no go work dem wan take money na by force taking inside Douala e don bad when you wan come Douala for buy thing na tie am money inside pocket tie am again put someone on top tie am again tie am if you no tie am you no go see that money that so even for place wey dey ever talk say na big people dey stay na that side for Bonamusa dey even for dey sef whatever for thief sef you no dey leave them you go leave them plenty things dey inside Douala at the salon all una wey una dey look me for that side for Amchide we dey na for Kolofata subdivision time wey Boko Haram dey worry that so for that 2014 so e be na chimcha but today e be na dancing because say people dey come back for that side you see say palaver for Boko Haram e don comot you dey look me for that side for Carrefour music for Bonaberi no say I go come reach for your own kind side too even inside Bamenda people dey inside Boya and I no forget my people wey dey inside Douala for side by side from Douala Premier go reach for 5e even people wey dey for that side for Lumso I no forget with am we go begin the knack to read inside Douala here plenty things dey wey we get for talk about una come good look che Shidong because say Shidong for ambassador che and me Shidong for dey tight so that make che dey hot time wey come back you go know say that Iche cold no be dey rain no dey if rain wan come on top ambassador Iche that rain go knack me first me sef I been a big man cap una man for play lie dem no dey play with me so if I wan Shidong for man I dey Shidong fine plenty things dey wey we get for talk even people wey dey drink sha for that side for Cambe I dey see how una dey look me so we get for look other thing dem but now so we go enter inside Turi in the proper but before we now enter inside Turi ma tell una small thing the way e don happen inside Douala here small kind thing wey don happen inside Douala here wey shock people dem na say person wey e go Ngata family dey wey say you know she don for Ngata so time don reach wey go comot the one wake up the morning time dey hear say don split na straight inside Ngata no be small man papa for 40 years wetin e dey sick e no e no be dey sick wetin dey worry something no be worry na that so say for evening na so some Ngata men dey want to say na me I get for now for this position for yes so cold day for yes so heat day na me I get for now for here that Ngata boy dey begin dey fight the one dey fight pass the passing for corner say no I been a man for 40 years me I dey pass for yes so because my age dey so e don pass me I no make am make dem knack me but that's how they sit now that pa na chair that can knack pa pim power fall for down e sleep straight na inside New Bed prison wey the one happen inside Douala we go even talk about matter for kidnap wey dey carry people dem wey na who dey can carry people dem carry plenty people dem for inside that side for Noon for Bangoren wey we dey na for Noon division for West region for Cameroon that side so dey see go carry people dem go with am 30 people dem carry dem so lost for air man no know side wey dem take dem go even right now so wey Kitu dem don open say dey go enter all bush dem dey now first see dem matter dey even some mami too come for Douala he wan come back for work he no see pikin lie Mommy no see pikin go so he see nunu, he no see nunu. Them take you say you can't look on money pikin so that for month end they go give you some small thing so that you chop. They give you chop no correct you. You wan comot for house, why you no leave money pikin? You think money pikin go, you think say you go with am. Dem go catch you. Yes. The people, some people they don try now, so when they don terminate, they still catch them. Na you where you go? Nah, you no go. You no go. All that thing them na that to read them for kute wey we go even talk about that barrister, that lawyer man, that salesman wey dey be kidnapping you for that side for Bamenda. We dey use one talk say they don release you, na so they can quit with your family, all that kind thing them. Na correct thing dem that way e dey happen for inside country. Na that one we want for here. We no wan hear say they don dey kidnap people dem again. For Sika wait itself. Why they kidnap? Why they continue and again when they do am, when they take them for do wetin? Now that to reach in the day, country people them make I take small thing, water drink. When I don't come back, we the knack to read in the proper. A big couple. Yes. And the trust alone na all we na way we na dey other side them. I wan start to read na inside Bamenda side sef. But before one knack to read, I will give una big pie talk. Big pie talk, e comot na someone wey dey talk say tanto golom ganyu wey dey that side for inside some shaha some kambe dey drink shana for that mami and the people dem. He tell me say make I tell una say if you no dey inside house you no fit know thing wey e dey happen inside that house. If you no dey inside house you no fit know thing wey dey happen inside house. If you no dey inside house you no fit know thing wey dey happen. No look thing for corner talk. No can dey for backside. The talk thing wey dey inside house. You must enter for there before you see. We go for that side for Bamenda sef. E don take say more we enter inside Bamenda face. Na that so for Bamenda that for night. The one so e happen na for midnight for Bamenda according to firefighting unit, army rescue unit. When I see them na Kitu people dey that. They dey call am for big boss say army rescue unit. Na people the way when fire dey so they dey bring water dem can pour am for there. Na them that. Na that close that. Them there for night. When I see people, how can you people see people? No, we na no fit see. No be na inside Bamenda. Dem don talk say inside Bamenda when 9 o'clock don reach, if you no wan sleep, you must sleep by first sleep. Even when dem call dem for phone say fire dey burn inside market, dem go fit comot. No, for Bamenda, no be big man don side book say if you dey so 9 o'clock meet up you that side for Bamenda, you must sleep. Oh man dey, na that thing dey na mami dey that thing na the one so na Bamenda food market. Na inside Bamenda food market, no be main market for Bamenda, na food market. No be first time this we don hear so e no make one week wey we tell una say fire burn the food market. Now so mami dem borrow money again. Dem say make they come sell even for this time wey the December month they can reach so that so they go pay pikin their school fees, they go feed pikin them. But except that so fire too talk say lie, e no dey pass so dem go chop their own. But what it cause the fire? Chuchuchu dey talk say but see now no be me na chuchuchu. I wan talk to you wey the big people dem, the Kitu people dem talk. Kitu people dem dey tell Wambu Stella correspondent for Bamenda say wetin. The fire so thing wey e cause the fire na light wey dey not join am fine. That current wey dey not join am fine so na him make am so e cause fire start burn. Na him that dey burn. See how wey fire dey dem mami that thing. The one so na million all batuja dey populate for here wey dey don burn am. E dey so food dey here even corn chop dey here garri o dey don burn am, corn and beans o dey don burn am. Food market na wey they never send na yomo for day. Where go dey for chop again? Mami dey say chop for here. But they wan put that chop inside market, they go say make they go sleep. That's all if whether they go wake up for morning time 6 o'clock reach, they go comot enter inside market again. But the one be for midnight, na bad news enter. Bad news enter say fire don burn. See fire don finish all thing. Mami dey still sleep o. We go come the second one see how mami dey wake up na go there for morning time. Yes, na morning time this. Now morning time this day they can't take their eyes so chop wonderful thing. I no talk say they take eye chop Christmas. You want na Christmas? Na bad news. Christmas na correcting. See, mami they don't confuse. Them don't confuse because say they wake up now they cry now for sharp morning time this. When I see that one maybe na for night I show we now. People they see sleep for Bamenda. You dey hear for phone say your house so your property all thing where you don't get them all that food for market it dey burn you know for fit go because say they don't sign book for Bamenda say all man dey sleep for night. By first sleep but na for morning time wey the one wake up go dey dem no go dey no meet up anything they dey confuse. See mami dey cry money wey I don borrow for njange but tontina all the one wey dey na tontina dem they go don pay that money. How they go do pay money? Cabbage at least sef no burn omoen. But sitting, all garri them, all maggi them, tomato and salt them, all they don go for fire. Fire don finish am. Na mama dem this dey cry for morning time. They cry say na which kind of ballot this? Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen inside the market wey all time thing dey so burn inside Bamenda food market? Wetin dey happen? Na which when I don talk say na electricity, na you burn am. Wey lie wey dey never join am fine, na you burn am. Una no fit fix am? Because na the same question that way dem be talk that other time wey someone be born. Dem no go fit fix am? Why? Why not? Why una no fix am? Na question that myself so we even go hear some man wey he been a victim for that side of Bamenda. He be get something for talk. He talk say the one they don beat the passé. Say he don pass them power so they dey say Mengom na do something. Una even hear talk for man wey go Bamenda the morning time. He interact.
We woke up this morning time, we see fire don burn this shop dem down. If you see which will be involved, fire burn down one shop. We get the news about 2 a.m. this morning. Say market the burn. So you know the insecurity with town, no fit comot. Then army rescue, they don't try their best. They quench down the fire, but we no fit retrieve anything. As you can see, our brother and dad they try to even pick the remains. But we keep praying, say may God help we, because we had to leave it down and make government do something. Because we don't know, they be investigate, they carry on investigation for see what it caused the fire, because no one no even really know it will cause the fire. All man just be broken hearted. You see mommy they cry, papa they cry, especially these tough times. You know easy. So keep praying, say may God do something.
No matter that country people, when I don't hear you talk, if he said na colonel that big man way, he join that people them way they go lost that fire. Already Bamenda man talk say we dey thank them so. That army rescue unit, he said no say them don't do work. Na colonel na Pitato a guy that he take the people them so go there, them they pour fire, them no office sleep that night. Now that work that make domage, other kinds in there we dey talk for that people them say make them take out. Even time wey Christmas day, if they not buy clothes or picking there, when they don't know say next year day sometime them for that side for 2019 so they go get money for buy picking them clothes safe. But now some people go chop wetin na question that we dey ask am. We come out for that side for Bamenda, we dey come back inside Douala, but we no go reach for play wey Equinox Tori as dey. We go remain for that side where you come out Bamenda, you dey wan enter Douala, you dey can stay first for Douala Katiem. Na that side for Bonaberi side we dey take una go. Yes, na Bonaberi side that they dey call the place say Carrefour Music for Bonaberi. The house so no be house wey papa dey don born die. No, they no be the house they die. They never born die, the papa dey still dey. But them can't scatter the house. Some man wey get money, they say money get power. He can scatter the house, jam with caterpillar, knock the thing all left and right. Since them don't be for years, someone they say them don't dey for here for 20 years, someone they say they don't dey for that place so for about 15 years. Some part of say don't stay with the family for long. Pikin years so them born them now for that side that so, but they still can scatter the house. They drive mommy for house, drive pikin for house, drive papa for house, drive old man. See, now place the house they be there. See house them. They don't be building house them now with mother. They build our cement block so big correct house, big house. They can't scatter na them that. See papa them now. They not getting for do. They work another. They come on and so today. This day so they mash. They do not mash. Say wait. You don't back. Say man wey don't broke their house. He will give them something back. Me we even see how they come on the match. Now them that. Now people they that way they don't broke their house for inside Douala. Man wey get money according to them. Them say man wey get money don't can look their place. He talk say that place find them. Say make them come on for day. He want to say they come on for day. Then what they think they say in a place so one day they wake up. They don't see in a caterpillar. They don't come. They put their hands for that. They put their house. They chook house for you move them. Chook house for you move them. All the way them get inside house so they broke them. Them broke money get power. Not only money safe. But according to them say na money. Anyway, we will see hear them. You see, we will see go back for day. Because they so them get plenty thing they for talk. But yeah, mommy, yeah, thing when mommy talk.
The worst one I say, you not even give we any notification. Paper say it go come broke for so and so day. You know can't give we. We want show only for money. We want hook up where they don't just bring a caterpillar. Then can the broke we houses and day. Then drive with the broke all our things. Them destroy our things that inside us. Even so, our picking themselves they be traumatized. They don't even know. Even someone they say they don't even go school because picking they be traumatized. They don't get house. They sleep for outside. Would they really beg the government say, "We don't overwork for court for seek out this problem." Me government really look into us. Me they look into us. They really see how we would really cry. Would really beg for help. Me they really can't help. We because don't over suffer for this matter. We don't over ton for court every day. Go come every 1 week. Every 1 week. We don't really know as they judge the thing. So they really beg for Papa President. So me look into us. He really help us so that me Papa Kifero can give only one land. Me can give one land back because the place is been a water. Because I don't see and say money man go really come back.
Mommy don't talk. Capo no go talk plenty, but Papa talk. Me we hear Papa talk too.
But Mr. Gifford, we can take and broke and so for 1 day. The worst one I say, you not even give we any notification. Paper say it go come broke for so and so day. You know can't give we. We want show only for money. We want hook up where they don't just bring a caterpillar. Then can the broke we houses and day. Then drive with the broke all our things. Them destroy our things that inside us. Even so, our picking themselves they be traumatized. They don't even know. Even someone they say they don't even go school because picking they be traumatized. They don't get house. They sleep for outside. Would they really beg the government say, "We don't over worker for court for seek out this problem." Me government really look into us.
My name, I'm called Achia George. They came from Southwest Province. So in fact, I don't fit know why they come broke with because they not even inform me. I did build this place. I don't take 7 good years. I'm a compound that for build this place. Then this man they pass every day this year. Only 31st morning they just come. They start broke. After, they say, let us stop. 20th of June, again, they just surprised us. They broke everything, accompanied by gendarmes, military, mami water. So nobody, you see, so no man no take, no notify house, no nothing. See how picking the day around we. Now so all the outside. People like the state council, the judges, where they supposed to help with. They know they do nothing. Seeing that time, we don't accept. Let us stop. This man may stop this work with the work until we get the final judgment. Nothing has been done. They never do nothing. So they just live with, and then we not sleep for here. Every day you get military people, you get vigil as they call them for French, you get big dogs. Then people do not even. You cannot cross this place. You can't. So with the back say, make government. Better look this palaver because this palaver generate to a small intertribal war. Even if it will pay, but more first come back for a place. I will not come back for a place. That time we fit see whether he will give me 5 francs or you know yam.
Yes, now part talk that. Mommy talk part talk. We don't want you wait again for couple. You wanna know here fine when I wait some days even tomorrow. When I feel beg me I come back for that one. Say me I come inside Douala. Time 7 now waiting. I come inside Douala, we will go that side for Amchidi. Amchidi, they that side for Kolofata subdivision. Kolofata they for Mayo Sava. Now for far north. Yes. Now for Alaji that side this. Usman them. Now that countryside this. When I see house. Me when I don't think say the house or the house some man don't be the house, he live or some just scatter. No, now Boko Haram that they scatter the house them. That way they fight Boko Haram. House they be they fight, see fight house them. But they scatter man, Papa they take Tokyo, man of his stay say because I get motor no. Who will stay? Stay along, make them kill you and motor remain. Now so them scatter people their house for day. That time when they fight Boko Haram war. Hey, people they run. Them run for the they run for the village, they no come back. Run since 2014, man no come. See how them, see how market be there. 5 houses. Even if it's strong swear, wait till man of it broke up. But time where Boko Haram war start, man of it stay say because I get fine house, I get fine shop. See how them destroy thing the body. War. One a bad thing. See. Hey, see chat from the the gang for them. Correct. Time when the gang for them enter for they only took your way to Boko Haram take run. But Boko Haram become so. Now has this way some Kitu red cap every day. But Boko Haram they cast Katabalas the one. You know yeah. See. Them write down. Now place where Kitu red cap they never did this. Them come for day. They enter for day so they scatter up bed. Time where the grand frère qui took them. Time where big man send them from here when they enter for the them deal with Boko Haram. They want deal with Boko Haram, the people they start come back for village. Now I'm cheating that people they don't start they come back. When I don't see, I be sure when I be see people. Now think they don't they back people they don't start they come back. See some part they don't start they for village. See more people see. Now basically they carry people them back. People they carry things inside Mukuta back. Boko Haram they don't carry them. Yes, now inside Cameroon. When I think say now for Nigeria, now Cameroon this. You see people they don't they come back for day. See some mommy don't come for corner say where all has be there. Say how that has there so you could go so sleep for day. Man like in village now. Even in village then how them go come back for day. Them don't come back. You better see how they be there for they destroy them. See motor them. I bet several way there so people they come back for that side for Kolofata, for Amchidi, for Limani, that side there for Fano. They don't they come back for the thing they don't they come find. Me say so Boko Haram talk say they not go give up. Even yesterday, Boko Haram now, time when that Kitu they don't go drive them for them, they know they come with gun. Yesterday, them see send some pikin, they tie them bomb for skin. They enter inside market for the village. Now them that boom, that bomb it explode. Them say when they tie that bomb for their skin, so themselves they die for day. So they joking a one man for different side. People they won't be there for their skin. Them take them go for hospital. They train them for day now. So they choke them. See. We Equinox we go read right for day. Muna nothing say we dey let some people the way they hear thing they talk. Now Equinox man that we go read right for day. We see thing for ourselves. We can't show we now. Not ask say we been a couple or we been a who. All I say we been a Equinox man. When I like some kind of question the way. Now so I want say Muna see how we life don't come back for day now people them to dancing. Saifu 2 Njamina when I Kusero, they don't come back. Man, they talk say, hey, I never see you for long since 2014. What's that when I begin? Kitu they not they dance. Joy day. You know to me say, me you not see your brother for 4 years. Me you not see your sister for 4 years. They don't come back. See, even bucket no they come down and this thing for carry water. But that's all. Now village, now man in village. See mommy them. They go carry some up on them. Whether they will go with the one they chum na for bush. Now only God know. But all I say they don't they come back for that village because they don't drive Boko Haram. Oh. They don't take a Boko Haram again. So they say village. How that pastor never talk say so they say call. That means they stop for village. So they say village. That's so Boko Haram they come and go. People they come back. That's all for that village. All I say think they don't they go back for day normally. Now so man of the tante. If Boko Haram you don't say you get hard. Why you dey fear? See, military but they get hard though. They dance for corner. They be man so. He hold the kind gun. See papa they dance with them. Papa they dance. They get fine. Imagine say they drive you for village for Binjang so. They drive you for many years. After you come back now for your village, you don't go here, you don't go dance. Now enjoyment that way there for the village. Them they happy. Yes, they are happy. They be happy. Say they don't come back for their village. That's all they dance. Think they don't they come back for the. Think they come back correctly for that side for Amchidi. Even school them that they come back. Now school that they come back. But except so people them for the village they turn and say that Portland now so make government give them a water. When I see how they push the container, they go carry water from far away side, far place. How they don't come back for village, play with them in the carry water, whether na dirty rum block on a Boko Haram people don't scatter how when bad people them so water not dey them, school where they go for day, even classroom where picking they go, she don't write book, you know they picking that's how she don't know that's over ground. But on I say they don't come back, they don't see all Amadu them, all Jordan them, all Joromanu Musa them where they not be see them for how many years then, they don't come back. Yes, okay. More come go sell for the one from the Kolofata. So we enter back inside Douala. Yes. But we enter back inside Douala, see problem for Douala, no be na war for Boko Haram, but na thief. Thief where they inside Douala, the part talk say the shop so. Anytime they come for day, when other people they use na magic go, they motive thing for day. We then do inside Douala same time so. Douala 5 subdivision, that side for Bonamusa di, you go that side for Makepe, Lokpo, other Ngombe them, other Lenzi them, other village them so, even Makepe Misoke them on a Douala same time. Même Bepanda, mais c'est Bepanda. C'est less the panda. You know they live here. See where they for they inside them. See this big house where they so. When I see some people they there for Douala they fine, but they so they not be secure. See for inside Douala I take them by force. Not be thief for village where they never look say you know they for us. They can't break your house enter. No, this kind thief for you na take them by force. This part they talk say what it. This garage they so thief people they can't hide for back the motor. Yes, for the kind road them way they never put kunta for day. Yes, they can't hide for the grass them. When you don't come so now they no jump on top so creep. Don't. Give for here. They say you want to say what they move some long knife, Couteau na danger. They look the one way in long way. You never ever see them for your life. Where they fabricate that one for which country? I don't know how they fabricate that kind of couteau them. It long so they give you so you go give money or you go take the couteau petit frère. You give your money. You give them. But some people inside Douala Senkem don't talk say make that kitu them inside Douala make they continue the rafle. It is so with the court cafe then we even give salute for that colonel them like Abakashi them where it is for this thing for territorial gendarmerie unit for inside Douala because what they don't do inside Douala Senkem like 2 days ago they enter inside the Douala Senkem Douala 5 subdivision. They see some gang them they start chase them they follow them so one day they run they go for down so one day they go for up. But except so they catch all them all. They catch the one for this side. One day when they run, they go for down. So now population catch them. They just beat someone before Kitu the one come. They beat that one, kill and burn them. They don't only kill them, burn them, bonfire on top fire. They burn you. Now payment now for thief. When people they give you, when even the catch thief inside the wall, when Kitu man don't come take you, you get your luck. You even talk for Baba go say thank you. Because if Kitu man don't come, if now all the people them, they could also just put you now stone, burn you one time. They know 1 year, they know the year nonsense. You dey thief that money say na you don't work am. Of course. So people dey inside Douala Senkem that's so they don't talk say make security be around for say surtout wey na so we dey go na for inside the exam so that make they know they lost in the inside plenty. We show say army and police and gendarme they all they go inside that Douala rafle other bandits them go with am so that we will chop Christmas we peace inside Douala even na for minuit sef we go dey inside nightclub them begin the chop. Yes. From now on we enter inside that side for Buea go see how we people dey plan for Buea. The one Buea cancel all this. Yes, when I don't see governor for Buea and Kitu them don't gather. They talk and say wetin. Now United Nations they don't give food aid. Say make they give people them chop way. People they wey war don die them inside northwest. People they wey war don die them inside southwest. People they wey war don die them inside that village them. They can't stay for place Lake Bamina and Lake Tanso and Buea them. They don't dey now. They no get chop. They don't leave that village. They don't leave Munyenge them. They don't leave other village. They no get chop. So now when they dey for town, they don't even get farm, no be that village. So when I get for give them chop, now when they don't bring that chop, the big people they gather now they talk say, "Why we go share the chop for the people them?" Them they pray. Even governor for Southwest that now that man wait there for me, they stay for corner the white man that. Yes, he whole white man. Now the white man that they bring that chop them. They so even for them you go see pastor them, you go even see imam for Buea them, you go see even bishop for Buea. Now okay my party that dey for that side. So other big people they inside Southwest they gather for inside Buea. They talk say chop don't come. How we go do share the chop? How we go share? How many people they don't run for that side? Now even a mayor for Buea them that. And some big people them say how we go share the chop? How many people they don't run for that side for Kumba? How many people they don't come up for that side for Lebi Alem? People they don't come up for that side for Manu, for Manfe side, all them. Now United Nations High Commission for Refugees and other kinds of they can't get that job. Now so they go share that job. Myself so some people they went up in a UN self they still help people them. I even talk about some people like the Aya Foundation the way they be inside that side for Loom so for inside Mungo division come now for side for Littoral them see plenty picking them so. Them go for them, they go get chop. They help picking them for the picking 1,500 picking them. Only inside Lumiwa my country people them. You will hear say this non pass power. People they run, they look any small village where one or they just enter for them. No one here say phone for them will come or no come. Man they hear die, man they stay stand. They run enter for them, they there for them. So we can even watch show una image that way Jackie no be the same and for that side we will show una tomorrow because say none of us fit telecharge other images there today. We will show una that one where they go get chop for some people there inside Loom yesterday. Una go see picking the way they don't run work for inside Southwest. They there for that side for Mungo Division 2. But that's so some good people in that. I will talk about other on this United Nations, other organizations like the IAP Foundation. They go help them. Even government too with the food aid. We will come back with that one for 8 o'clock for morning time tomorrow. We can show you now so that we now see how plenty people they run work. We they talk so we now know here. Say so, move go rapid the man. Take the kind entertainment. So I want to show you now something. But today so we no go we will look newspaper for morning time. But before the newspaper now so we just leave newspaper for the morning time. This sometime so look the thing. I don't talk. I get some good way if you play for national team. If you lie, you look am. If you think say the lie, me you see am. If you play for national team. The emboss so they head and pin. The M so head and pin. Oh, you wanna take from Boma? Show me that thing. Say, ma come on me for that side.